Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss some scientific facts which we observe in our daily life. Why water remains cool in earthen pitcher? The answer is this occurs due to the process of evaporation. Water gets cooled on evaporation. As the earthenware pitcher is concerned, they have small pores. Water tends to come out of pores and evaporates, which results in cooling effect on the earthenware and water. While in the metal pots, there are no pores and evaporation does not take place. Besides, metal has tendency to absorb heat. That's why water does not get cooled in a metal pot. The next question is, meat takes longer to cook on mountains. The answer is, the meat takes longer time to cook on the mountains because the atmospheric pressure decreases with the altitude and the boiling point of the liquid is directly proportional to the atmospheric pressure. Third question is, Australian continent has winter seasons when we have summer season in Pakistan. The answer is, the earth on its axis is not at the vertical angle to its orbit. It is inclined at an angle of about. In this way, when the northern hemisphere of the earth is inclined to the sun and getting direct sun rays, southern hemisphere is inclined away from the sun and getting less direct rays. Thus, the northern hemisphere has summer seasons and southern hemisphere has winter season. Pakistan is in the northern hemisphere while Australia is in the southern hemisphere. So, when there is winter in Australia, there is summer season in Pakistan. Why roads are bent inwards and curves? The answer is, the roads are bent inwards on the curves and at the turns because the bends avoid falling outside and prevent the accident. Or when an object turns in a circle, it is influenced by a centrifugal force which pushes it away from the center of the circle. When vehicles turn on a road, they fall outside under the influence of centrifugal force. In this way, there is a danger of falling or slipping out of road at a turn. Roads are made in a way that these bend inward at the turns to avoid falling outside and to prevent accident. The sky from moon appears black. Why? The answer is, as the moon has no atmosphere, so the sky looks completely black when viewed from the moon. The ozone layer in the atmosphere is necessary for our survival. Why? The ozone layer in the atmosphere is very necessary for plant and animal survival because it is the absorber of ultraviolet rays which are very dangerous for animal health. Ultraviolet rays cause cancer of skin, spotting of plants, etc. That's why the ozone layer is necessary and essential for an animal as well as plant survival. The sun appears red at sunset and sunrise. Why? The sun appears red at the time of sunset and sunrise due to the scattering of light by small particles of dust or smoke near the surface of the earth. The light travels relatively without hindrance. That's why the sun appears red at the time of sunset and sunrise. The earth bulges out at equator. Why? Answer is, this is due to the shape of the earth. The earth is not a true sphere but it is an ellipsoid. The equatorial diameter of the earth is 12,756.27 kilometers, while its polar diameter is 12,713.505 kilometers. The difference between its equatorial and polar diameter is about 43 kilometers. The rotation of the earth is on its axis produces a centrifugal force which increases its equatorial diameter. That's why earth bulges at the equator. If you like my videos, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.